It's your boy Larry, Midnight Chaos. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. Chilling here with my dogs. You know what I'm saying? Say what up, Queenie. Rocky, come here, Rocky. Chilling here with my dogs, man. This is what we be on. Come here, Rocky. Say what's up to everybody. Yeah, it's my boy Rocky right here. Okay. But yeah, it's a great day, man. I got my first mod of the new year, and I went ahead and got some Valenti Revos, so I'm very excited about that. It was either between the Revos or the 2017 taillights, so I went ahead and got the Valentis. So hopefully we don't have any issues. I did hear about some people having issues with the LEDs going out eventually, but I think that was on the earlier Valentis. Hopefully there's no issues with these. So again, very excited. We'll go ahead and do a quick unboxing for y'all, then we're gonna go get right into the install. Stay tuned. What do you got there, man? So this is the box that came in. You know what I'm saying? Valenti Revo dual LED tail lamp. So let's go ahead and get these open. I actually held out on opening these just so I could open them with y'all. So I hope y'all actually feel special about that one right there. Go ahead and get my knife out. You know what I'm saying? Never know when you might, I just carry a knife on me anyway. Never know when you might need that. Go ahead and get this open. I might have to set this down real quick. All right, there we go. Got that opened up. Set that right there. Wow, look at that. I think that's the best thing about ordering JDM parts is you open the shit up, everything's in Japanese, man. I love it. All right, moment of truth right here, guys. And these are the Valenti SR-2, so they should be lightly smoked red lens. So let's take a look. Just so y'all can see the Japanese. This ain't no bullshit, man. We really JDM over here. Oh, shout out to 86 Speed, by the way, because they were really helpful with my order and getting everything shipped out in a timely manner. So this is what it's looking like in the plastic. Some Japanese instructions. Just set that to the side. Okay, so I removed some of the plastic so y'all can get a better look. But this is the taillight, man. These are fucking beautiful. Way better than my 2014 taillights. So very excited. I'm gonna leave this plastic on for now until I get them installed. But this is what we're looking like. Apparently these need a repin, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover that for y'all too. And then we'll get some shots of them on the car, man. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these repin. I actually already did this one, so I'm moving on to this one. One thing to keep in mind, a lot of people don't really point out how to remove that, but what you wanna do is slide it in this direction and it should come right off. And pretty much what we're gonna do with the wires is we're just switching out this solid green wire here, and we're gonna switch it with the green and yellow, which you can't really see it, but it's in this bottom corner right here. So pretty much just swapping that one with the one in the bottom right. So just to show y'all, these are the tools I'm using. Pretty much just a pick, and I got a set of needle nose pliers. I'm gonna stick the pick inside of here, and there's a little plastic tab on top of where these pins are. So you pretty much wanna stick this in there, push, and then while you're pushing on the other side, gently squeeze the wire and just pull it out. I can't really get it with my nails and shit, so if y'all got a better method, let me know, drop a comment, you know what I'm saying? So you give it a slight pull, comes right out. All right, so there's that one. Let's get the other one. So basically what you're doing with the pick is sticking it between the pin and the little plastic tab on the inside of here. It's kind of a bitch, so just play around with it. I've never done this shit before, so if I can do it, y'all can do it, man. Gonna make sure you push them in real good, so that's where these kind of come in handy. Okay, that seemed to have worked. Okay, I don't know. I don't know if this is a proven method, but I couldn't get that pin back in there, so I put the toilet paper on there to protect the wire from getting fucked up from these pliers. So another thing to keep in mind, when you put this back on this plastic tab, the wires are going to be really bunched together. They were on this side. So what I did, I just kind of moved the green wire underneath some of this shit that they had, and then now I'm about to put it back up in there. All right, and that's in. Just double check the two. All right, so once you swap the wires over, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this back on this plastic tab without breaking it. Okay, wow. Finally got that shit done. And again, we swapped over that green and yellow wire with this one. It was in reverse order a second ago. So I'm gonna go get this installed. Hopefully everything works and is fucking wired up right. So I got this side installed. Wasn't that bad. All you really need is a flathead. This is an 8mm socket. And oh yeah, I use this to remove these little clips off of the bolts that are on the tail light. So the clips you want to remove are this one. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that one. And probably remove this top one here. Perfect. All right, so from here you want to go ahead and fold that back. All right, just unplug the harness. All right, so we got this one out. We'll go ahead and put the Valenti in. Howdy. What up, y'all? So I got the taillights in before sunset. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a couple of shots of just what the tail lights look like. So anybody out there that's looking at buying the lights, you guys can kind of get a reference to what they look like on the car. So check it out.
Check out the Instagram. Fucks with the Instagram and subscribe.